Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on the Skoda Superb 2.0 TSI SportLine DSG 4-wheel drive. Now this car is finished in moon white metallic, it is a petrol automatic and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your bi-xenon headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch Wenger alloy wheels with the grey finish really complementing against the moon white metallic exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring that any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find Alcantara and leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving into the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, and as well as this, it is also a memory seat as well. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 89,865 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. As well as this, you also have Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. Along with SmartLink, which supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. And you also have a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible, along with rear parking sensors making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front seat heated seats. This has been a presentation on the Skoda Superb 2.0 TSI SportLine DSG 4-wheel drive that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.